Welcome back, everyone. Due to the huge number of new users joining after the Sketch Apocalypse, many people have been asking how to download and install Vortex. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to get started. First, open your browser and visit playvortex.io. Once you're on the website, either create a new account or sign in if you already have one. After logging in, click the download button at the top of the page. This will take you to the Vortex download section. If you're using Windows, click the Windows download button and run the installer. If Windows Smart Screen blocks the installer, click More Info, then select Run Anyway. If Microsoft Defender flags Vortex after installation, open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then Protection History, and choose Allow for Vortex. This warning doesn't necessarily mean Vortex is a virus. It can happen because the application isn't yet recognized by Microsoft's reputation system. If you're using Mac OS, move vortex.app into your Applications folder. Then open Terminal and run the command provided on the website to complete the setup. Support for Linux is coming soon. At the moment, Vortex is not available on mobile devices or consoles. Mobile support may arrive in the future if development goes as planned, while console support will take longer as the team is currently focused on expanding the platform and developing new games. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.